G'day folks, I got a really interesting product to show you here today. This is a flotation device for your GoPro, Hero 5, Hero 6 session, and I believe it will also float the Fusion. So let's just open it up and we'll kind of go over it. So inside the box we have these floating pods. There's 5 of them. You can see they all have little 1/4-inch tripod thread mounts all the way around them. So that's that. So the first thing you see, we got these little connectors here, and they just screw in to these holes just like so. So, just like that. Now this is a GoPro mount. Goes on the top. And if you want, they have this little attachment here, and that just allows you to add on a lanyard if you want. So now, we'll mount the GoPro. This is a GoPro Hero 6, but any GoPro will work in it. And this little dial here, you can angle it however you think is best. Just like so. This whole unit will float on the water and keep your camera stable. So, you know, a couple of different scenarios where something like this would be useful. Even playing in a family pool, you know, you're playing some volleyball or just want to film the kids. Something like that, you know, you could just have floating off on the side. And, you know, you can get some nice action. You know, it also works well if you want to get some shots of yourself kayaking or canoeing or windsurfing or just some fun at the beach. This works well for that. And with the built-in stabilization of the Hero 6, you know, you get some nice smooth shots. The other really interesting about this is that it works upside down. So it can float in the water upside down like that. So if you want to get some nice underwater shots of yourself, it works well like that as well. Now, according to the manufacturer, one of these pods is enough to keep the GoPro afloat. So if you want to film underwater with just one, you know, it's going to be a little bit more movement in there, but take up less space in your camera bag. One of these will keep the GoPro afloat, and you can film yourself underwater, you know, angle the GoPro how you need. Now, I'll link down to Amazon where you can buy it. When they sell it with the 5 pod configuration, but if you think you only want one pod, they do sell it with a version that just comes with the one pod as well. Now you can see I've got the Fusion hooked to it. So yeah, this would be a great way to grab some 360-degree footage at the beach or on the water with your GoPro Fusion or any other 360-degree camera that's on the market currently. So yeah, folks, that is the flotation device from Telesin, and it is expandable. As you can see, you could buy 2 or 3 of these kits and make different configurations. They'd all hook to one another. So yeah, a must-have item if you do a lot of filming in or around water in the summertime. Definitely I'm going to be making use of this summer. I already have a few cool ideas for it. Well, folks, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found this video useful. I wish I could have maybe tested it out for you in it, but like I said, we're in the dead of winter. But I'll definitely do some videos this summer with it and post the results. Thanks a lot for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.